Tali, my name is Israel Tangaloli Neil.
Malolo soifua malelangi mama. My name is Naomi Stritton, and welcome to the COVID series.
And today we have a super Samoan who survived the COVID-19 Delta variant.
O le susunga ia Tali Meavale o se tasi o manu maalo mai le COVID-19 Delta.
Whakalawala ia tu malo le Nissan Bulavanaka, talo falava, and malo lava le soifua maua malelangi mama. My name is Tali Meavale, and thank you for having me on the show.
Welcome, Tali. So tell us also, how was your experience with Delta?
Experiencing Delta last year in the month of August, alongside with many of my church members, as well as my 55 members of my family, experiencing Delta with no educational knowledge going into this virus was very hard. But as a ainga and as a community, I worked alongside many of my family members to educate ourselves and also educate our elderly ainga. My mother who's 74, my auntie who's 79, it was very hard to see our tinas and tama, who are very elderly, go through this without knowing, what to do next. So it's very important that I educated myself alongside with many more of my, young family members to help educate our elderly family members as well, in the community, in the church, as well as our ainga as well. So, being unvaccinated and going into the Delta variant was very hard, and a few of my family members had to go into ICU, who are struggling with breathing problems and who were struggling with pregnancy at the time. It was very hard to see that, and so it just made me put more effort and more time into educating myself as well as my family members on what to do next and how dangerous this virus was around us. So yeah.
Malo fafitai. O le aso sao a wale sosoani I tatou tangata Samoa.
Fafitai lava mo le fasili Naomi. One of my contributions to help our community was, one thing I did see in the community was, there was no understanding, and that was because of the language barriers that we had between the communications from the government, the health system, as to our community as well, our Samoan community to be specific. And one of my contributions was, to create a 2-minute video where we have, family members who are experiencing this virus, come up with a cartoon. And that was very simple and easy, not like many of these videos we see where, someone's standing in front of a camera and saying scripted lines. But the video that we made together as a ainga, or my contribution, to this video was, I just wanted it to be as simple and as natural as possible. Now, with more than 20,000 views within a week, being posted on the Ministry of Health, Minister William Apito Seal's Facebook page, Twitter page, and also on Fresh and Coconut TV, we gained more than 20,000 views. And I compared that with the Ministry of Health, not to be in a competition or anything, but a video that they posted for the Samoan community had only around about 3,000 views. So it was about the way that we get the message across to our community, and the correct platforms to share the message was very crucial. So coming up with a 2-minute video to help our Samoan communities out there understand better of what this virus can do and how we can help as a system.